IRS Form 1098-E is the student loan interest statement. Lenders that receive $600 or more in student loan interest payments from you during the year are required to send you this form. You may be able to deduct up to $2,500 of student loan interest per year as an above-the-line deduction on your federal return, meaning you can claim it even if you do not itemize. Income limits apply and phase out at higher income levels. The Lender section identifies the financial institution or servicer that holds your student loan. The lender's name, address, and federal identification number appear at the top. Your name, address, and social security number appear as the borrower. If you have multiple student loans with the same servicer, you may receive one combined Form 1098-E covering all your loans. If your loans are with different servicers, you receive a separate form from each. Box 1 shows the total amount of student loan interest you paid during the year. This is the key number you need to claim the deduction. Box 2, if checked, indicates that the amount in Box 1 does not include loan origination fees or capitalized interest paid before 2004. Loan origination fees on loans made after 1997 are treated as interest and are deductible if paid. The deduction phases out for single filers with modified AGI above $75,000 and for joint filers above $155,000. Enter the amount from Box 1 on Schedule 1 of your Form 1040 to claim the student loan interest deduction. You cannot claim the deduction if someone else can claim you as a dependent, if your filing status is married filing separately, or if your income exceeds the phase-out limits. Keep your Form 1098-E and loan statements for at least 3 years after filing. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.